Hi there, I'm Cooper with Productive Robotics, and today we're going to talk about diagnostic data files. OB7 cobots are built to run reliably for years, but should you encounter a problem, there's a great tool built right in. OB7 automatically maintains a diagnostic data file which you can download and then send to our service team. Here's how to do it. First, insert a USB flash drive into the robot's control computer. Then on the control tablet, enter Help by tapping the question mark in the upper left corner of the screen. From there, select Diagnostics on the left side and scroll up to show the Send Diagnostic Data button, centered at the bottom of the screen. Now pressing the button reveals a pop-up dialog box. Select Save to Disk there. As the data is prepared, a status message will appear centered at the bottom of the screen. Now, this can take 10 seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many jobs that you have stored. When the message changes to Data Saved, you can unplug the flash drive from the robot's computer. Now from there, insert the USB flash drive into your computer. Look for the file name pr.logs and send it as an attachment to service@productiverobotics.com. The diagnostic data will be very useful in helping us quickly get your robot back up to speed.